Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly that why your Toshiba air conditioner is blinking and how you can troubleshoot or how you can fix this particular problem before calling for the service. So first of all, a blinking light on your Toshiba AC is usually a warning and not the actual problem. It simply means that the air conditioner has detected a fault and it is now trying to alert you. Now, before even basically resetting the unit, the very first thing that you need to pay attention to is which light is actually blinking, whether it is the operation light, whether it is the timer light, or any kind of another indicator that you are seeing. Also, you need to notice when it starts blinking. If it flashes immediately after turning the AC on, the issue is often electrical and communication related, or if it starts blinking after several minutes, it may be caused by the poor airflow or a sensor fault and the outdoor unit problem. So first of all, in order to fix it, you need to simply open the front panel and then you need to simply check the air filters. If the air filters are heavily clogged, you just have to do nothing but to just simply clean them and make sure that nothing is blocking the indoor and the outdoor units as well. Afterwards, you need to simply perform a complete reset in which you just have to turn your AC completely off, and then you just have to leave the unit as it is for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After that, simply restore the power and see if the blinking light disappears, and that's how you can basically fix this particular problem. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.